Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to unlink your Roblox account from Facebook easily and quickly. There can be many reasons to unlink your accounts, such as privacy concerns or simply wanting to manage your account separately. Before we begin, make sure you have your Roblox and Facebook login credentials handy. You'll need them to unlink the accounts. Step 1. Log into your Roblox account and navigate to the Settings menu. This is where all the account management happens. Now, look for the Connections or Account Linking section in the Settings. This is where you manage your linked accounts. Once you're in the Connections section, identify the Facebook connection. This is crucial to unlinking your account. Click on the Unlink option next to Facebook, and confirm the action when prompted. You're almost done. After confirming, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your Facebook account has been successfully unlinked. Finally, revisit your account settings to ensure that Facebook is no longer linked to your Roblox account. And that's it. Remember to manage your account links regularly to keep your information safe. Thanks for watching.